Here is a centimetre grid. Each of these squares represents a centimetre, this length here, this length here. Write down the coordinates of point A. We start with the X. X comes first in the alphabet. X is here, it says X here, 3. And reading off the Y, 2. On the grid, mark with a cross the point with coordinates -4 and 3. I'm still going to do it in pencil. -4 and 3. Does it say that we have to label it? Yes, it does. We label this point B. It's no good just putting the cross. You must label it B. On the grid, draw a circle with centre 1, -1, and radius 4 centimetres. 2 marks for this. Drawing a circle, we are going to do it with a pair of compasses. What's that? It's one of these. Oh, this one hasn't got a pencil in it. Let's put the pencil in. Now, when you're lining up your pencil, good idea to make sure it's sharp. We want these points here to be the same. It's not quite the same. Just going to adjust that. All right, make sure it's nice and tight. Center 1, -1. Let's make sure I've drawn that in. 1 is my X, -1 is here. Okay, so this is where I'm going to put the point, but I need to measure out 4 centimeters. So I'm going from this point here to this point here. Do not use your ruler, use the grid lines. It should be the same as the ruler, but if it's been printed out, maybe it's a mock question. If it's been printed out, then you need to make sure it's right with the grid lines. And then you put the pressure on this this branch here, and you draw your circle. Now it should go through the grid line here. I'm going to turn it round here. If you messed up, rub it out, go back and do it again. I think that's accurate enough. Oh, it's going through the point, it's going through the grid lines, the point directly underneath the cross, above the cross, to the left of the cross and to the right of the cross. That's my 4 marks.